What is good, y'all? It's Ronto Exotic. We are not on a regular camera today. We are on the GoPro. We got Strictly over there. Give you a dig race? Yeah. You sure you want to do that to yourself?
Smell that?
Yeah.
You love that.
You sure you want to do that to yourself?
Yeah.
Where you want to? Okay. I know somewhere we can go. I know somewhere we can go, but we gotta go to.
You got the camera over.
All right, let's get it. And so if y'all can tell from the last video, we got tuned and everything. So I think, oh, copyright champ, stop it. I think we're in map 1, which is performance. I'm gonna go to map 2 for right now. Just to get us a little crackles, you know what I'm saying? It's a little crackles, nothing too major. You got this guy, thinks he's just solo. Thinks he's just solo, here I go. I gotta wait till I get further on it just so y'all can hear it. We got a 5-0 over there. Order got 2. Oh, there we go. Yeah, man, so we got Strictly right there behind us. I hope that this view is good enough for y'all. Ooh, that Subaru, man. Yeah, I hope that this view is good enough for y'all. Let's see if I can get some. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like the map 2 is cool. I don't know. Maybe I'm just. It's like I don't know. It's kind of like doing it itself a little bit. But map 3, y'all. Map 3 is on a whole different. Map 3 is on a whole different level. Let's see what he says. Why is he in that lane?
That is speedway right down here.
I don't remember.
There's one down here.
Okay,
Yeah, it's a cop right there. Chill out.
I'll shoot a couple going past him.
Do it.
Is that a challenge?
Yeah.
I doubt it. I don't think I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
Oh, he just got cut off. Map 3, can't wait. Yeah, we got Charger. We got oh my. Oh, we're at map 3 now, by the way, y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all a cool little hold on, let me give y'all a cool little flame real quick. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, it like turns so many heads. Oh. No, that's crazy. Oh, wait a second, we got a little bit of road construction here. That man, see? So if you're part of that low life, I'm good on the low life, man. I'm good on that. That man is up there. Ah! I thought you were gonna shoot him more flames. I thought you were gonna shoot him more flames. Police up there. Wait a minute. Well, y'all, we are back. We stopped to get some food. The bathroom break ended up turning into a food break as well. But we are about to be on the way to the back road, so I will see y'all and turn y'all back on when we get there. I'm gonna shoot some flames, some crack about, boom, bam, pop, you know what I'm saying, around the turns, you know what I'm saying, for y'all. But I'm really glad I get this POV drive for y'all, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe early. Got strictly back there. This thing is extra loud. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe early, man. We're on the road to 3K, 3,000 subscribers, man. So I'm really hoping that y'all can help us out with that before the end of the year, before the new year gets here, before 2024. We're going hard 2024, you know what I'm saying? But I think we're gonna put it in sport mode too when we get there. But I'll just see y'all and turn y'all back on once we get to that first back road, man. So actually, while we're right here, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little rolling anti-lag real quick on the sport mode. So basically, we gotta get up to 5K RPM and then hold the cancel button and then basically floor it and then let go of it to let it go. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go about here. Oh my god. Yo, when I tell y'all, that's on a whole different level, bro. That rolling anti-lag do something serious to the car, dude. I'm telling you. All right, so we just have to pull over. I'm over here stressing about this exhaust leak and this engine light that keeps coming on. I guess there's some tuner problems, huh?
No, it's your problem.
It's my problem?
Yeah.
That's insane. Well, it's okay. You gotta follow me and listen to my flames, so it's okay.
Waiting on you.
All right.
That's why the GoPro goes down, because you got it on. Looking at me.
It's all right, bro. Y'all, I keep forgetting this man is so low, bro. Oh my God. I keep forgetting about that little bump right there. But however, we are in the back. We're on the back roads right now. We're actually about to go ahead and start with the little fast part. So I will turn y'all back on once we get there. Oh my goodness, yo. See if we can see it right here. I thought he was supposed to be the driver. That's crazy. All right, we're in this other side of the back road. We want to go ahead and keep going. I don't know if he's just trying to give me like space or what's going on. Hold on, y'all. All right, there he is. I guess we can continue now. I guess he was trying to give me space. I don't know, but looks like we're good. roads, man. Oh man, life is beautiful, guys. Life is great, even in the hard times, stressing. Oh my goodness, y'all listen to that. But y'all listen to that. Gotta be careful on this road, man. I think I'm gonna put in performance to see how we perform against him. Oh! I must be going too slow. That's crazy, man. So yeah, let's go ahead. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's go ahead and put it in map 1. That's a full performance map, like full everything, because I don't know what he got going on, but I guess I was going a little bit too slow for him, huh? This should be fun. Come on, man. I want to use this rolling anti-lag on to see how it treat me. Come on, man. Where you at, man? Where are you? Where are you, pal? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Too bad. It was getting bad, but it wasn't too bad. Man, he know. Come on, man, it's crazy. Shame! It's a shame! He missed third, y'all, so Too Exotic was gonna take that one. But if it wasn't for him missing that third gear, I don't know, man. I think I want a manual just to like make it fair. Well, it's already unfair because he's on E. Go to the left, my guy. To the left, my guy. To the left, my guy. Where you going, my guy? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you're going? Where are you going? Oh, looks like he wants a dig race. So, ready? That was, bro. That wasn't. It wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and 1 second. Yeah, let me go ahead and roll these back up. I might keep that open though, just because it feels pretty nice out. I think I do need another GoPro. I need an Insta360. I need a couple of cameras, and possibly another, like a second. I can't talk, like a second personal camera as well, because from like, when it comes to shooting flames and everything like that, like you guys, you can't see the flames unless I bring it up on this map right here. But even in the daytime, you still can't see it. So here this man come. Oh man, now I gotta make a flyby pass. Well, let's go ahead and do a little pull real quick. Let's go ahead and do a little. Oh. goes rolling anti-lag for you. So basically what's about to happen is we are about to get some rolling shots of the flames, so I had to pull off. Unfortunately, I don't have the doggle yet. I will soon, that way I can switch on the fly. But as of right now, we are about to go ahead and shoot some flames. We're gonna get some rolling shots of the flames. Yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in just a second. All right, here it goes, flame time. Truck doing? That's crazy. I guess he didn't like the flames, guys. He just wanted to fly by. Strictly not playing out games with that, man. We about to go get him, man, because he got me messed up. Well, that was quite the rush. So unfortunately, the freaking camera wasn't recording. What the, bro, it's like the camera's recording when I don't need it to, but when I need it to, the camera is not recording. Y'all gotta help me understand, bro. Y'all gotta help me understand life sometimes, man. That's insane. Why is this dude so freaking close to my bumper, bro? He does that all the time. I'd be wrong if I, I kid. I wouldn't do that to him. I was extra close. I wish I would have showed y'all that instead of the mirror. I was extra close to that man just now. No cap. No cappers in my appers. But it's kinda dark, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get some like slight flame footage because yeah, it's been light outside all day and I haven't been able to get any flame footage, so yeah. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to pull into this tunnel right here. I'm gonna surprise Strictly. I'm gonna just stop. I'm gonna just shoot some flames in front of him. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Cause I've yet to shoot like some big, like stationary flames. I shot some for some kids last night, but I didn't get it on camera. They were like head over heels, like going crazy. But we're gonna go over here and shoot some flames in this tunnel. He gonna be like, man, what is Rome doing? But man, what is Rome doing? He already know what time it is. You better get his camera ready, I know that. I had to shoot a little something.